Now yesterday I rode my Kawasaki Z900RS and today I'm riding the BMW R1250RT, and this feels like a gigantic fat lump. Well, hello internet, hello YouTube. I am riding my BMW R1250RT for the first time in about 9 months, maybe longer. I can't remember the last time I rode this motorcycle, but I'm taking it for an MOT. It doesn't have vehicle tax on it at the moment because I let it expire, the MOT expire, so I can't tax it until I've got it MOT, but it is legal to ride it to the MOT centre if you have a booked MOT booked. So here we go. It's been a while. Alright, big heavy lump. To tally-ho and off we jolly well go. Oh, it feels funny. Big bike. I'm going to have to be very careful because this thing weighs a ton. And it's the 4th of July, Treason Day, American Independence. Not feeling particularly treasonous today. Oh, this feels so different than my Kawasaki. Oh, such a weird feeling. Doesn't feel bad, just feels big and heavy and unwieldy. Dynamic. That doesn't matter. So I have my suspension on dynamic mode, and I have my riding mode on dynamic. So I can put the windscreen up, get some of the rust off my face. It does feel just really weird to ride this. All the electronic help and the weight. I really noticed the weight of the BMW. It doesn't seem to want to turn. I'm actually having to positively turn it into corners. Unlike my little light Kawasaki. Of course, the petrol in here is a bit old too, but it started. Right, turn right here at the junction. The indicator button doesn't move far. I'm having to check that I'm actually hitting the indicator button when it's actually indicating. Put both feet down because this is a heavy lump. Oh yes, it has automatic indicator cancellation, which I'm not used to. So when I first bought this motorcycle, I got off of a Indian chieftain and directly onto this, and this felt like a tiny little light motorcycle compared to the Indian chieftain. Now yesterday I rode my Kawasaki Z900RS, and today I'm riding the BMW R1250RT, and this feels like a gigantic fat lump. I'm going to keep my speed down. Concentrating very hard on riding this. The throttle seems very stiff as well. Oh, we have the police. And what they're doing here. Stolen goods probably. Oh, it's Friday. There's the market. Very pink. The petrol station's open again. off when I turn this tight corner. Morning.